Maria, I got your message about difficulties with Canvas, so I just wanted to do a little video just to walk you through the steps. So my dashboard is going to look different than yours. You'll have our two classes, the linguistics and the literacy class. So let's start with 548. So if we click on 548, you won't see these extras down here just because I'm in teacher view, but this is our home page. If you need to check in on the syllabus, see what's coming up, the copy of the syllabus is right there, and then it also follows the calendar right here, and this will take you to different assignments. If you want to click on it through here, that's one option. Then you also go to modules, and it's going to give you the week. So we just finished up week 2 in 548, so I'm going to go to week 2. And each week has a little video that introduces you to what we're working towards that week, what our assignments are, what's upcoming, etc. So for example, for week 2, so here's our readings. This is from course text. You have chapter 1 and chapter 2, and then this sheet that just has a lot of ESOL definitions and acronyms. And then to complete this week, you need to watch our video, complete the readings, submit the reading reflection, submit your group discussion summary, and then email me with a location for your ethnography project. So if we click on the reading reflection, it'll take us right to the assignment. And you're going to see a submission box. So where I see all this, you're going to see a submission box. Let's see if I pause the video and I switch it to student view. Be right back. Okay, so now I'm in student view, so it should look like what you see. So if we click back to our modules, and then we go to week 2, and we scroll down here and we click Submit Reading Reflection. We click up here and we click Submit Assignment. So it'll let us do a file, it'll let us do a text entry, it'll let us upload it from Google Drive, and then you submit. And then it'll go to me. So then if we go back to our modules, when we're looking at submitting the group discussion summary, we click there, and then we post. So you'll see the other groups, everybody posted this week. And then I respond back, and we just go throughout the first 8 weeks on this discussion board, and then we go later on the other discussion board. Then if you needed to get in touch with somebody in our class, you can click over here to People, and it'll list emails and who the people are. Now if we go to our linguistics class, we click on our dashboard. We go to our linguistics class. We'll switch back to student view. Okay, so now we're at our home page for our linguistics and culture class. So you see our to-do list over here, what's coming up. You can also look at that in the calendar, or just like we looked at for 548, we can see it here in the syllabus. So this is the PDF version, and then this is the calendar that's coming up. Then if we go to modules, we just finished week 2, communication, so we click there. So here's our objectives. We made our textbook changes based on this PDF. There was just a few errors in the textbook, so the textbook company sends us that errata list. Then watch the explanation video. The explanation video follows a PowerPoint, so you can also download the PowerPoint here if you want to see that. And then read the course text. Some people were missing their text this week, so I gave you file 1. This is from the 11th edition, so the page numbers were a bit off. And then the practice problems from the 12th edition. So those are there if you're still missing your text. And then it says by Wednesday at 11:59 you complete the rough draft. So we click there. And we go and we do our submit assignment again. Now make sure each week you're looking at the actual assignment because you don't have to do all of the problems. So they're listed on practice problem 1. These are the assignments you have to do. Practice problem 2. These are the assignments you'll have to do. So you submit your assignment here. You can upload a file, you can text entry, you can put in a website, you can do it through Google Drive, however you'd prefer to give it to me, so you can just use like a Word document, etc. And so then, if we go back to our modules, that was the rough draft. Those are always due Wednesday at 11:59 p.m. And then on Thursdays at 12:01 a.m., the final draft will open up. And the final draft includes the answer key. So you'll download the answer key, and you'll have your rough draft, and you'll look at the different answers. And you'll see what you did well, where you're struggling, what questions you might still have. So then you'll take your rough draft, and say you did it on Microsoft Word. You can use track changes, make any changes, any edits, add any information to any questions that you're missing, and then you're going to write a paragraph. What did you do well? What did you struggle on? What questions did you still have? And then you'll upload it here and you'll submit the assignment. And then I'll go through and I'll read your reflective paragraph. I'll look at your edits. I'll provide any further feedback that you need based on what you submitted. And that's what we do each time for the practice problems. So then when we have assignments coming up, such as our annotated bibliography that we're going to work more on, it'll be posted in the week as well. So this is next week, the culture topic. And we can click on annotated bibliography, and it'll take us right here to our home page for the annotated bibliography that gives all the information. Okay, I hope this helped. Let me know how I can help further. I want to get you caught up on week 2 assignments so that we can start week 3 off fresh. Email me, let me know. We can talk on the phone or we can Skype if you need me to. But let's just get you set and ready to go.